Number 21, ln of x squared plus y squared plus 2 arctan of y over x equals to 0. So find dy over dx. So we know that the derivative of ln u is equals to 1 over u du over dx. So our u here is equals to x squared plus y squared. And for derivative of arctan, so we have 1 all over 1 plus u squared. So du over dx. So u here is equals to y over x. So let's simplify. So we have ln u, so 1 over, so x squared plus y squared. 1 over u, so d over dx equals to 2x plus 2y y prime. Plus 2, so arctan, so 1 over 1 plus u squared, so 1 plus y over x squared. So d over dx, so we have x y prime minus y times 1 all over x squared equals, the derivative of constant is 0. So we have this one, so we will distribute 2x plus 2x over x squared plus y squared plus 2y y prime all over x squared plus y squared plus 2. So we will simplify this one. So 1 plus y over x squared. So x, so we have y prime minus y all over, so all over, x all over x squared is equals to 0. So we have, so just simply this one. It's much complicated to see. So we have x y prime minus y all over x squared. So let's distribute. So 2x, just copy this one. So we have plus 2. So 2. So we have xy uh, xy prime all over x squared plus y squared minus y all over x squared plus y squared is equals to 0. So let's simplify this one. We have 2x all over x squared plus y squared plus 2y y prime all over x squared plus y squared plus 2xy prime all over x squared plus y squared minus 2y all over x squared plus y squared is equals to 0. So we will combine similar terms having y prime. So y prime is equals to 2y plus 2x all over x squared plus y squared is equals to 2y plus 2x, 2y minus 2x, 2y minus 2x all over x squared plus y squared. Two y all over x squared plus y squared minus 2x all over x squared plus y squared. So we have y prime is equals to 2y plus 2x all over x squared plus y squared is equals combined. So we have x squared plus y squared all over 2y minus 2x. So we will simplify this one. So this copy 2y minus 2x all over x squared plus y squared times x squared plus y squared all over 2y plus 2x So we will cancel this one. So the remaining will be y prime is equals to, so just factor out 2, so 2 times y minus x all over, just factor out 2, so y plus x. So the remaining will be just cancel 2. So the final answer will be y minus x all over y plus x. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Y prime is equals to y minus x all over y plus x. So our answer here is correct. Let's proceed to another number.